Hi, this is Allie from the Waupun Warriors dance team. I will be competing in the D-Force All-State Solo, and I have no jewelry and I have both shoes.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. Running in circles, coming in tails, heads on the sides apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said